Today I'm going to show you how to make a SANSITO. It is perfect for every occasion, and the best part is it has 0 alcohol. So you would need a couple of mint leaves. We'll do that right now. You're going to need lime, so we'll cut that up into small wedges, and then make sure you have some for garnishing. So you would want to get your shaker. First, you want to rip up these beautiful mint leaves so you can release those oh so fresh minty smell, which I love because in Vietnamese cooking we use a lot of mint, so I have a sweet spot for mint. But anyway, put that in there, squeeze a lime, more or less depending on what you like. For sweetener, you can use honey. In this case, we're going to use some monk fruit. Just a little bit. Then we're going to use a muddler. And you want to get right in there to get all the flavors mixed together. Oh, it smells so awesome, guys. I just wish you could smell it. Next part is going to get some ice cubes. Just like so. And then my favorite, our newest flavor, SANS Ginseng Apple Guava. Comes in a beautiful rose gold can. Let's crack that open. And you're gonna pour some in. Shake it. You can serve it in a martini glass if you want. For this time, I just like mine over ice. So we're just gonna pour the whole thing in. Okay, it's so beautiful. And for garnishing, a round slice of lime. Make sure you cut it right here so you can fit it right there. Extra mint leaves that we saved from earlier, use it as garnishing. Steak. Okay. And there you have it. All right, let's do a taste test. Sniff test first. Okay. So good, guys. I wish we could try this right now, but it's okay because you can make this at home with simple ingredients that you find right in your fridge. Should we call Kevin over to do this taste test?
No!
Baby, my promise boy.
What you got there, babe?
Hey babe, I just made this for you. It's not a mojito.
Oh,
It's even better. It's a SANSITO.
Oh.
I came up with it just for you.
Thanks, babe. Let's try it.
Try it.
That was great.
Wow, you hated it.
Nice job.
Yay. You like it, babe?
Love it. So fresh.
So nice, right?
It's so nice.
It's beautiful. Hey, babe, save some for me. I said I just want you to taste it.
There's plenty.
Oh yeah, that's true. You are the owner of it. Amazing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Perfect.
That was great.
That's great.
You did great. Like this. Model
Oh,
there.
that's great.
Got the mint tea and your
Oh,
monstrous
where's my
boobs. Then
Kevin just took this part.
Then I got it's doing close-ups, babe.
Oh,
It's doing all
okay.
close-ups.
But you know, it would be nice if we have some face in there.
For
'Cause we can-
close-ups, it's just close-ups. You already have the wide version right here. I was just doing close-ups, babe.
I see. I see what kind of close-up you like.
Oh boy.
All right, is that a wrap, babe?
Nice job, my little monk fruits.
It's a wrap. I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you want us to make next. Hey, babe, I'm gonna kick your